Hello friends. Today's video is about a scalping strategy that is going to be taught. Everyone can use this strategy, whether they are beginners or intermediate. It can be very useful, especially for beginners. I must say that it is used in all markets. The strategy has a win rate of 75% and also has a risk to reward of almost 2. Well, let's get to the point. The time frame of our strategy is 5 minutes, and the indicator we use in this strategy is neural network. Add to the chart from the indicator section. A series of settings are necessary to make the indicator work better. Go to the settings section, and from the style section, options. Weak long triangle, weak short triangle, stop long label, stop short label, tables, trades on chart. We disable one by one because they are not useful in our strategy. With this, we make the indicator unique and personalized so that it performs better. Well, let's go to the chart and show you how our strategy works. In this indicator, we have an EMA that shows the trend. If the price is high, it is an upward trend. And if the price is low, it is a downward trend. Remember this point. We look for long positions in upward trends. And in the downward trend, follow short positions. In this indicator, the distance between the price and the EMA is filled with a colored space. Red and green. Confirmation is for the process. If the price is above the EMA and the color of the cloud is green, it is an upward trend. If the EMA is below and the color of the cloud is red, it is a downward trend. In this area, the high price of the EMA is located and also the color of the cloud is green. We make sure that it is an upward trend, and we also look for a long position. As you can see, the indicator with a long label shows the long signal in the right place. And we also take long position and set stop loss and tip. We put the stop at the bottom of the last floor and set the tip at least 2 times the stop. As you can see, it closes with profit. Be sure to pay attention to this point that when we are sure of the upward trend, we do not consider the short signals that the indicator gives, because they are high risk and we don't want to take too much risk. In this situation, all the conditions are ready for the long position. The price is high on EMA and also the color is cloud green. So we enter the long position with the first long signal. And we will definitely put DP and stop loss. Let's see the descending examples together. These are all long signals that we can take, but for your better perspective, I will give both long and short examples so that you can better understand the strategy. In this area, the price of EMA is low and also the color of the cloud is red. So, the conditions are ready for the short position, and with the short signals given by the indicator, we enter the short position and set stop loss and tip like all other positions. As you can see, the strategy is very simple and practical. I recommend you to watch the video 2 or 3 times for better learning to fully understand. If you have any questions, be sure to ask in the comments so that I can guide you. We have reached the end of the video, and like all videos, I will open positions to complete your learning so that you can fully understand and have no problems. I hope you like the strategy and trade with it. Until the next video, God bless.